celebrating its 20th year this year. And currently we'll be having our franchise business expo sa September 29 no, this year. And again, as usual, it will be showcasing around 300 franchise businesses, no? Including startup entrepreneurial concepts. No? Ito gagawin sa World Trade Center this Friday hanggang Sunday. Okay? And as usual, itong nakikita natin dito is an example of a food hall wherein we are developing homegrown startup businesses. No? Hopefully in the future, maging household brand. No? Of course, nandito ang Churchillano because ito yung pioneering brand ng grupo. At again, we are also developing other brands like Mr. Hanoi, Dumburi Mix, Chicana, Bread, or Asian Mix. These are international variety of dishes na dinidevelop natin currently under the Eatery Express concept.
Okay. What are your plans for this mix?
Okay, itong the Eatery Express ang tawag dito ay under Trio Mix, Trio Mix Food Corp. And ang objective nito na is to eventually franchise this concept, no? Wherein all-in-one ka na, no? You have all the concept, all the dishes, international dishes, with one roof, no? So, I think this will be something to look for in the next few years. Kasi expected natin na magandang konsepto, no? Kasi ito na lahat, ano bang kailangan mo, no? Mapagpipilian mo na lahat ng klaseng pagkain sa isang food hall.
Right. So, for mga budding entrepreneurs and yung gusto mag-venture into franchising, what can you tell or message for them?
Okay, sa ating mga aspirants na mga gusto mag-entrepreneur, sa tingin ko, minsan palagi kong sinasabi, kung magsisimula ka pa rin, sana nagsimula ka kahapon. Kasi itong isang field na talagang dapat tuloy-tuloy mo itulak. No? Una-una kung meron kang tinatawag natin passion for it, kung meron ka talagang interest at saka gusto mo talagang gawin, maging isang entrepreneur, gawin mo na. No matter how small it is, no, it doesn't matter in fact, because everybody starts from small until lumaki ka na lumaki. So, ako palagi ini-encourage ko, isa sa mga advocacy kong tumulong sa mga young entrepreneurs, mga startups, na pag may konsepto kang maganda, mayroon kang magandang serbisyo o produkto, subukan mo nang ibenta yan.
Ayan. So, ano ba yung kagandahan if we go into franchising rather than do it yourself, yung mag-start ka lang from scratch?
Okay, kami sa entrepreneurship, we always encourage people to go into entrepreneurship in general. No?
Right.
Pero minsan, maganda kasi ang franchising kasi sa franchising, given system na yan isang bagay na subok na, yung brand mo kilala na. So iba, instead of creating their business, their own business, minsan nagsisimula sila sa isang maliit na franchise business muna. At doon ay napagpapractice nila kung paano maging isang negosyante. No? Now, kung sa tingin nila yung produkto nila, servisyo nila naman ay pwedeng maging franchisable, so pwede mo na i-develop siya in the few years na maging isang franchise business. But again, either way, no? Either you go to your own business as a startup or as a franchise business, doesn't matter. Pareho naman yung magandang simulan, pero although mayroong slight advantage ang franchising kasi systematic.
Yes. What made you decide to become an entrepreneur before you were a banker?
Despite career ko is in banking for almost 25 years rin. Siguro sa puso ko maging isang entrepreneur. No? Sa araw-araw na ako ay nasa bangko, araw-araw ko yung naiisip na kaya ako pwede maging full-time entrepreneur. Kasi dati part-time. No? So, along the way, after 25 years, nag-decide na rin akong bitawan ng career in banking. At pinagpatuloy ko ng bilang isang entrepreneur. No? May regrets wala kasi naman nagawa mo ng both sides of the coin. No? Naging career person ka na tapos naging entrepreneur ka na. So, maganda rin combination niya kung totoo siya.
So, as a person, Si Richie Cuna ba may gusto pang marating? Meron pang vision na gustong ma-achieve?
Alam mo naman sa buhay, walang katapusan ang learning, wala rin katapusan ang pagsubok sa mga maraming bagay, no? Pero sa case ko kasi, 25 years ago, no, yung sinimulan ko ang Pure Gelato, masasabi ko it was a 25 years business plan, no? Talagang sinunod ko yung plano ko ng 25 years, no? At nagawa naman namin, no? In fact, we just celebrated our 25th year last September 14. And doon namin napatunayan sa aming sarili na kung talaga palang gusto mo gawin isang bagay, magagawa mo. No? You just have to focus on what you want to do. You just have to concentrate in really what you want to accomplish at magagawa mo.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ren.